Hey y'all, I'm Considerate. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig from ISee Hair. I have their finger coily wig in 18 inches and it comes with the 4x6 HD lace closure, and it also has clips and an elastic band for security. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop the wig on, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of customize the top of the wig to make everything look nice and natural and just laid down. And the lace is already lacing. Look how well this is blending in with my natural hairline. But just to lay everything down, I'm going to be using a wax stick, and I just part the hair into different sections. Then I go over it with my flat iron, and I just do this because, you know, it was in a box, it was shipped to me. This just kind of wakes the hair up, makes it look really natural, and just make sure everything is nice and laid. So I just go through each section and pretty much do those same steps. I separate the section, I pin it over, use the wax stick, and then go over it with the flat iron. And now that I'm all done laying the wig down, I'm going to be taking my fingers and just raking them through the hair to break up the curls. I love the texture of these curls and the fact that the wig comes so defined. You literally don't even have to do any work at all. It is ready to go. You literally throw it on and you can do your little customizations like what I'm doing right now, but you are ready in no time. So yeah, I'm just taking them in between my fingers and just breaking the curls up. And I really like big fluffy hair, so I'm really getting in there and just making sure everything is nice and fluffed out. The hair was really soft and it was easy for me to pull everything apart. Now I'm just taking some scissors and I'm trimming the ends. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of shaping because, again, I love big fluffy hair. So I just want the hair to kind of sit to where it's going to have a lot of volume. I also took the scissors and did a little bit of face framing and just really customized it to how I like it. So here's the finished look. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. The curls are so pretty, and I love the way that I ended up cutting it because it really gave it a lot of volume. And again, this is ISee Hair's new finger coily wig in 18 inches, and it's a 6x4 HD lace closure wig, and it does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-styled, and it's 250% density. I highly recommend checking this one out. It is so beautiful. I'll have all of the information down in my description box. And that is it for this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.